Thank you, Benita. Good morning, people. It's a pleasure to see. I can't see them still, but because I'm looking only at shots of the faculty. Hopefully, in a few days or less, I'll come across some of you in person. Thank you for that flowery introduction. I hope I can stand up to it and make SaiU University also as known as IITs actually, because that's where I come from. But before that, I want to mention that some of you may be wondering, you're going to switch schools, you're going to go from school to college. How am I going to tackle the pressure of it? How am I going to tackle the difficulties of it? I'll tell you something. I went to 8 different schools in my for my 12 years of schooling, including 2 years of homeschooling. Then I went to Kendriya Vidyalaya for my 11th year. There was change of a number of years for graduating, and so things were confusing. But in any case, I joined the IIT for BTech, then did my MTech also from IIT Bombay, IIT Madras. Subsequently, I wanted to go abroad. When I was finishing up my MTech, I realized that I could do much of that in India itself. Circumstances came together in a way that I could go to the University of Utah for my PhD. Then I did my PhD in 3 years, actually less. Then went on to, after my PhD was completed, I went to UMass Amherst. Then I finished my tenure there as the tenure professor. Decided to come back to Madras, to Chennai. So just changed names. And then here I am talking to fresh people, fresh in thought development, as well as facets of imagination all coming together. Hopefully, they'll all be realized. What I wanted to think about yesterday, last night when I went to sleep, was what are we going to produce as a result of this 4 years, 5 years, N years of school of college education at the side, and I realized that what you're doing is to produce here the product. If you can memorize this by the end of the day, and think of this quote from the web pages of SaiU University, and see how you can contribute to it along with faculty and other fellow students. It'll go a long way in realizing it. So we want to produce a product which should be an integrated undergraduate ecosystem consisting of several schools which together provide a vibrant and inspiring environment designed to unleash the full spectrum of student talents across the sciences, social sciences, arts, law, humanities, computer science and data science, and any interdisciplinary combination of that. Also, but this is the whole story. But I want to cut down some words on this to make things easier to convey to you, but I think every word here has meaning, so please take this for yourself and make it your own. So what I wanted to do when I came to SaiU was to do something along the same lines as I said, done with IIT Bombay, and that was to apply technology for the human development. There's a field of computer science called ICT for development, Information and Communication Technology for Development, and that involves taking the individual fields of computer science and related sciences and apply the results of the research in these areas together to change the way people learn, the way the environment changes to produce the needs of the people. So if you were to look at this paragraph and put in words in the right places, you'll get ICT for development with computer science as a glue for the whole set of topics that have come together to make it into society. That's what I did for 4-5 years, and in fact a little longer. And we produced lots of artifacts, for the common man, including a question answering system which will take natural language inputs and produce natural language output and pictures and in an integrated fashion so that people can very, very nicely look at what they have been told. So that's basically what I was doing. And then in the last couple of years, I've been thinking about the same questions. How do I change the world based on what my research produces? And people like me also have similar ideas. So we all came together and produced several topics which have the ability and should have the ability to change the environment in which we live, that people are not provided for equally, and so on, as we heard before. So I started to look at this question in the context of energy, and produced a book which is Smart Energy Management. So this book as well has been the primary product for me, as well as the people who contributed to the algorithms of the book and so on. And you will see some aspects of this come up. Whatever I talk about, because this I think is a common platform on which we work, we live, with energy. So how do you make energy happen? Energy go faster, farther? That's the question I've asked in the last few years. And we have designed a course, a self-designed course for people to contribute to this area in a way that makes a difference to society. Basically, my view is this: whatever we do inside, the students should have as a goal something that is an artifact which should be to make a difference to themselves and the people who live around them. If you can achieve that for every person that we educate, we'll have gone a long way. So I'll stop there and tell you that this is an exciting field. It's totally interdisciplinary. There's no single field which not touched, which won't touch this area. So anything you've done so far will have a part to play in this field. So stop there. Thank you very much, and have a good 3, 4, 5, 6, I don't know how many years we have planned for you, and you have planned for yourself. And we will talk to you soon. So one main point I will leave you with. I hope all of you are having a small notebook with you in your hands. Okay? The idea is, whenever you hear somebody, or even hear yourself, you will see some ideas come through, and those ideas are precious. They may not occur again, even if you have what context you got ideas in, and what you're going to do with it. Please note down those ideas briefly, and then go back to them later when time comes to see what you had thought about a certain topic. Okay, so please do this. If you're not done this so far for this inauguration function, please take time, leave half an hour now. Go through the topics that you have heard about and make it your own. Write in a small note, little bit about that topic yourself. It will be very handy. When you're looking for projects to do, or when you're looking for some topic to write about, you'll see them come in very handy. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Krithi.